In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chromebook to Samsung TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can easily set up and connect your Chromebook to a Samsung TV. This will allow you to mirror your screen, or you can use the Samsung TV as an extended display, so another display alongside your main built-in one. So, to establish this connection and configure mirroring the display or using it as an extended one, you will need the proper cable. So, the main way to do this is going to be with an HDMI cable. For the Samsung TV, you will usually always just plug the HDMI cable in. So you plug the HDMI cable into any of the available ports. For the Chromebook, this might be a little bit more difficult because not all Chromebooks will have a built-in HDMI port. If your Chromebook does, then it's as simple as connecting the other end of the HDMI cable into the Chromebook. Immediately upon establishing the connection between the Chromebook and the TV, you will be good to go. If you go into the inputs of the TV, one of the inputs available will be the Chromebook. Make sure that you select it, and you can configure the displays later, which I'm going to show in this video. Now, if it doesn't have a native HDMI port, then you will most likely need an adapter like this one. This end will go into the Chromebook, and then with the other end that now gives you an HDMI port, you can use a standard HDMI cable to finish this connection. So you plug one end of the HDMI cable in here, and then the other one goes into the Samsung TV. So evaluate your options. See if you have a native HDMI port, and if you don't, then you need to use an adapter like this one, USB-C or USB-A to HDMI. If you go into the settings and go under device, you will be able to configure the displays so you can move them around. For example, if you have your additional display, so the TV at the right side of the Chromebook, place it here. If you have it below, place it below, at the left, and so on. Make sure that the height is set up properly, and you can enable or disable the option to mirror the display. And once you have all of these set up, the TV will be usable alongside your Chromebook. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Chromebook to Samsung TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.